Hey people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Where love and yarn comes together. Today we are excited to share with you amazing and some beautiful and adorable crochet baby easy to make at home crochet baby frocks designs ideas that are perfect for little ones. Hope you like this video in different collections. So please watch this video till end and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I've uploaded next video about your comment. From sweet and simple to intricate the elegance, we will got a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or expert crocheter, these frocks are perfect for baby shower, gift, or just because. Hope you like this video in different pattern, different collections. So please watch this video till end without skip. These all the ideas are easy to knit at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. We will show you how to crochet beautiful texture using yarn and hook. Plus got tips on how to customize with size, color and embellishment to fit your babies. For your little ones, hope you like this video. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful and unique style crochet baby frocks designs ideas. Feel free to experiment with different yarn color and embellishment to make this project special. You can also add a personal touch with a special message or baby's name. And the best part, these crochet baby frocks are amazing and can be paired with anything else. For the best result, we will show you how to knit this design at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. Thanks for sitting along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorials. If you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, etsy.com and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design in different DIY tutorial for detailed videos if you want to see. So thanks for sitting along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial for detailed videos. See you in the next video. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting works. Okay viewers, take care.